Well, we're here on a beach on the borders of Carmarthenshire and Pembrokeshire. It's a magnificent day. Great opportunity to do one of my favourite dishes, wild mull. Based obviously on the mussel, but we're also going to collect Alexanders, which we use as a substitute for celery. Fry them up in a pan with the mulls, bit of elderflower wine, which I prepared last year, and we should get something rather tasty. So, let's go get those mussels. So we've got ourselves a good collection of mussels here. Most important thing is only to pick the big ones. They take years to grow. We've got lots of little babies here. And again, this is something I'm doing for my own personal consumption. Normally we get our mussels down from the fishmonger where they're grown on a commercial scale. Here I'm just harvesting for my own personal benefit. So I'm just going to take a couple because I know there's plenty.
The mussels will need their beards and barnacles cleaned off before eating.
Well, we've got our mussels and I'm now tracking up this stream. The idea is simple: find Alexanders. Now, they tend to be up on the sides on a dry zone. They like a bit of sun and, well, basically they're away from the beach, so we'll find some soon. Now, I just caught sight of some over here in the bush. So we're just going to track across. Okay, so this is the Alexander plant, and what we want is a bit of stem. So I'm going to cut down here. And that's what we're looking for. So this is what we want. Just cut back the stem like this. You expose this beautiful white flesh. Really tasty. Okay, well, we'll collect enough of this and we'll go cook those mussels. Well, we've come up from the beach to the woods where we're going to get a bit of wild garlic. As you can see, plenty of it, and this is going to be a great addition to our wild mull. Don't need much, just a handful. Make sure no alien plants in there. Yep, pure wild garlic with our Alexanders. Should taste really good. So just get this chopped up. Wild garlic really likes to be chopped, particularly the leaves. If you eat them just as they are, they're quite stringy. But give them a good chop up. You can eat the stems, everything. It's all good. Key to some good chopping is chop more. If you think you haven't done enough, do more. Wow, this fire's getting hot. Pop that in a bowl here. Bo looks keen. He knows what's coming. Okay. So here we have the key ingredient. We were prepping it earlier, the Alexanders. You get these side shoots off, the side skin of it off. Peel that back. You've got this lovely white flesh inside. That should do us. Don't miss any of the fibrous bits, leaving this lovely white flesh inside. Yeah, nice, ready to go. So, we now get this chopped up. Trust you can see that there. There's Alexanders now all chopped up nicely, ready to go in the pan. Just pop those in the bowl there, and we'll get the next stage of the mull going. Right, got our pan here. These are the mussels that we got out the beach. Just going to put those in the pan there. Now, as you can see, they're lovely, straight out the sea. I'm going to give them a bit of fresh water there, just drain it off. Got our mussels, got our pan on the heat. So a bit of hazelnut oil, not an easy thing to put together. It's now commercially done on a large scale, collecting the nuts, but you can make it yourself. You can also do a beech nut oil. There's the hazelnut oil just heating up. Now I'm going to put the Alexanders chopped up. Okay, so we're just getting these Alexanders, getting them a sort of a little fry in the hazelnut oil. And we're about to add the wild garlic now. In with the garlic. That's the leaves and stems all chopped up. The only problem with the outdoor fire, it gets bloody hot. Now, obviously, key ingredient with a mull is a bit of wine. It's a bit of elderflower. Cheers. Oh, that is lovely. Wow, that is a fine wine. Elderflower. I mean, even the champagne is amazing, and that literally takes, well, 24 hours. You've got yourself a gallon of champagne. So we've got the Alexanders and the garlic going. I reckon it's time to throw those mussels in. There you go, the mussels. Make sure they're all open. Yep, looking good. So, onto the plate. Scoop them in. And a generous helping of the moule marinara, the wild moule marinara sauce, which we can see that Bo is well keen to have some. So, to a good day's foraging, the wild moule marinara. Wow. Good. And then we've got the mussels. Just pull apart. Oh, lovely. And then Bo cleans the shells for me. Well, that is lovely. Till next time.